In this video, I'll show you how to increase the frame rate of your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. When you first drag a video clip into the project, DaVinci Resolve will ask if you want to change the project's frame rate to match the clip. If that's what you want, click on Change. If not, click on Don't Change. Now, if you want to change the frame rate manually, go to the Media Pool and right-click on the timeline you're working with. Hover over Timelines and select Timeline Settings. Even if you uncheck the box that says Use Project Settings, DaVinci still won't let you change the frame rate of that timeline. To fix this, go back to the Edit tab, then right-click again inside the Media Pool. Hover over Timelines and select Create New Timeline. A new box will pop up. Give the new timeline a name. Now uncheck the box that says Use Project Settings. This will unlock all the timeline options. Click on the Format tab, then go to the Timeline Frame Rate drop-down menu and choose the higher frame rate you want. Once done, click on Create. This will make a new timeline with the new frame rate. Now, double-click to open the original timeline. Select your clip and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then go back to the Media Pool and double-click the new timeline. Press Ctrl+V to paste the clip here. That's it. You've now increased the frame rate using a new timeline in DaVinci Resolve.